problem that we're addressing is the intermittency and often geographic separation between renewable energy generation sites and where you need to use that energy. So we're trying to overcome the problem of storing renewable energy and transporting it to where it's needed. And we're trying to do that in a carbon-free way. And the innovation here is to use ammonia as the carbon-free fuel for doing that.
Siemens has been leading it in collaboration with Oxford, STFC and Cardiff. We wanted to do something that was to integrate all these technologies already existing, but then innovate them in a way that will allow us the use of the ammonia and the deployment of this concept.
So it's innovation in the truest sense of the word, in the sense that we've not invented new technologies here. We are using existing mature technologies to solve a new problem. Cardiff had a very important role to play in the project in that they looked after the combustion system. So this is the system that turns the renewable ammonia back into electricity.
When we started looking into different technologies, the innovation part came as we then had to put some improvements in these new devices. We had to then look innovative ways of implementing things that were designed for other purposes and then create something that nobody has done before.
So the potential impact is huge. So we've been able to demonstrate that ammonia is a practical carbon-free energy vector. We've got hardware here we can show to people to demonstrate its feasibility, and also to use as a platform for developing and overcoming some of the engineering challenges we need to scale this technology up.
In terms of the academic impact that we had, we're now writing up 3 books. We are working on the revisions of ammonia as a chemical, as a fuel in very high impact journals. So at one point in time, in say for example 5 years, 10 years from now, we'll have devices that were initially conceived out of this demonstrator. Then probably in 15-20 years, we'll be able to see the first zero carbon community using hydrogen through ammonia, hopefully in Wales.